I've shot hundreds of millions of dollars of real estate photos, video, and drone. Now I want to show you how to do it so you can build your own business or handle it all in-house for your company. Don't waste valuable time searching for info or tutorials that may not even be what you need. I'm going over the gear you need to get started that won't break the bank. And I'll teach you the knowledge and skills you need to produce vibrant images and beautiful videos that sell properties and increase rental bookings. You can be a complete newbie or have any amount of experience. Whether you are a real estate agent or assistant, rental sharing owner, property manager, or looking to start or grow your real estate photography business, this is the course for you. Plus, you get mentor access to me to ask questions along the way. Click the link below to get started.